This place feels strange and empty. Where are we?
In my mind, Miss A, I'm dreaming.
Oh, okay. A car. I should have imagined.
Yeah, but this is a car I've never drove before.
It's a Honda E.
How do you know that? This is my dream.
Yes, but I am smarter than you. You seem to forget this often.
With this ingenious design, I already feel a few years in the future, and it's so fun to drive.
You may be, as this is a pure electric vehicle, perfectly optimized for eco-friendly city center use.
And already my vision became broader.
That is because of the cameras next to the door mirrors. You have a better rear view.
Looks nice.
Talking about the rear view, what's happening on the back seat?
Oh, they look like kids?
How did they get there?
I don't know, Miss A. It's a dream. Things happen out of nowhere.
Are you sure you didn't want them to happen?
I am. But tell me honestly, do I look like a cool dad? I'm driving a clever electric car that encourages my kids to think about the environment and helps build a better future for them.
Yeah, I mean, the car is cool. But usually it takes more than a car to become a dad. I hope you know that, right?
About that. I haven't met their mother in my dream yet. I guess you have to leave and let me drop them at school. After that, I plan to envision the perfect woman for me. Good night, A.
Sure, keep dreaming.